and I
Yeah.
auditioned. And then all the girls were so, like, they did not wanted me to participate again.
Actually, I didn't grow up with a mother, and my mother and grandmother and my dance teacher, Leela. These three women have been very instrumental in my growing up years.
Did not wanted. All right, did not. See, this happens when people try to use the past tense twice in the same sentence. What I mean by this is, see, when you use did not or didn't, the main verb, the main action of your sentence should always be in its simplest form, not the past tense. Otherwise, you are using double past tense. For example, I did not. Now, did not communicates that I'm talking about past. Now, when I'm saying I did not wanted, it's like double times I'm saying, past tense. Like she did not wanted to come. No, say she did not. I've communicated about past. She did not want to come. He did not liked the food. No, again, say he did not like the food. Okay. I liked the food. Correct. Okay. Like, ed I've added. Now it communicates about past, but when I am adding did not, I let the ed go. I did not went to the party. No, I did not go to the party. What's the first form of went? Go. So I will use go there. Right? They did not played yesterday. No, they did not play yesterday. Yes, I hope you're able to understand. So whenever we have did in a sentence, keep the action word in the first form, in its simplest form. Don't make it, in the past form or the third form. Right? Now let me give you some sentences and you have to pick the correct one. Here is the first one for you. He did not help me or he did not help me. Excellent. He did not help me. All right. The next one being this one, which is I did not finish my work or I did not finished my work. Well done. I did not finish my work. She did not called me or she did not call me. Well done. She did not call me. The last one, he did not brought his bag or he did not bring his bag. Great, he did not bring his bag, right? Excellent. Now, I hope you understand that whenever we use did in a sentence and when, if there is an action word, we are going to keep it in its base form only. Yes?